May dandelions dito guys. Dandelions daw. Sabi ng Abby. I'm at a field of dandelions. Wishing you my fake. Yan mga Audi, mga ganun yung sasakyan dito. Ford, ganun lang. Ayan siya guys. Here we are. Yan yung ano namin. Papasyalan namin yan. Forest. Country Park.
This is where I bury wifey. 6 feet under. Ripstone. What was it they said? The blue barrel. That was it, right? That's what the Peter said.
Oh, really?
They said I was going to put you in a blue barrel, right?
Oh, you hold this then.
No, I don't like it.
Sige na. Sige,
That's all
Abby. This here, oh.
There's people coming on.
Yeah.
Your sister's in.
So we're here now. They have wedding events, conferencing, and Rufford Mill. What do you call that? Abby, they have archery. I like that. They have boating also.
I'm going to miss. Push her off the boat. Archery's going to in the heart. Whoops. Accident only charge.
They have cafe here also, right?
Not for you. You haven't been good. Too much trouble.
Abby, you show them this.
I do what I like.
This one. You show them.
Relax.
Show our fans. Rufford role during the World Wars. History pala. May history siya guys.
Pause the video here, guys, so you can read. Timestamps in the video below. Hard work for wifey. Oh, you want to look at the garden shop?
It's nice. Oh,
It is nice, but
you wanna go here?
didn't appreciate. I
You wanna
remember.
go here?
Yeah, we're going.
Ang ganda ng panahon, guys. I feel like the sun is coming to me. Coming to me? Because in the Philippines, we have like 40
Carvery. Yum yum. Eggs.
What's that?
Oh,
Lunch.
what's he red? Here's a ghost.
This is what Abby wants.
Hobby time.
Abby!
Yeah.
Archery. I like the archery.
Need to look in the shop.
Habs. Archery so that I'm going to hit you.
Wow. Is that sweet?
Shop. Shop, yes.
Oh, that'd be good. It's actually probably be best opening it and then it's less to carry. Yeah.
Do you want me to open it then?
Be mirror.
Or do you want to open it?
Do you want to open it in a
Open
bit?
it.
We'll find them.
Right, there
Thank
we go.
you.
Well done, Abby.
That's done.
There you go. You've got to carry it. Okay? What you say to Grandad? What you say? Thank you.
Thank you. Okay. Come on then.
Go on then.
They have bees here?
Right.
Yeah, in the UK, yeah.
No, I mean here in the park.
I'm not sure. I think there might be a beehive thing.
Vodka.
From America.
For Tatang. Vodka. The Spirit of Nottingham. Castlegate Gin. Asan ka ba pa gin ta siya guys? Oh. You show them? Abby.
Morning, you right?
Yeah, fine, thank you.
Umbrellas. Want to go down there? No? It's in the bed.
Thank you. Coffee. i-stop na. And then